Okay, chapter 12 was a chapter we did in between chapter 3 and chapter 5. It was about statistics and stuff. And so 7, 8, and 9 was about bias questions. Is it biased, or is it a fair question? And so 7 and 8, I said yes. But number 9, I said no, it would be biased towards that restaurant. And so look at those questions and make sure you understand. Number 15 is an equation, the percent error in a survey. And so the percent error is you take the number of people surveyed and you just, the error is plus or minus 1 over the square root of the number of people surveyed. So in this survey, 34% of the people said whatever. Well, the error would be plus or minus 1.7%. So the bigger group of people you survey, the less the error is, going to be. Number 16, third hour did not do this. Fifth hour did. So 16, standard deviation, finding the standard deviation. It's an equation. There's my very messy handwriting here for this equation. Maybe go back to your notes and write down the equation. Maybe write down the steps of how to do this. Remember that with a set of data, you have to find the mean or the average, which I got to be 309.167. And then the top part of this equation, you have to take each of these numbers, subtract it from the mean, and square it. So that's the work. 301 minus 309.167 squared, plus 311 minus this squared, plus 320, right? There's 10 numbers here. So that took a lot. But when I did all that and I added up all those differences, I got this number. And then you divide by n, which is the number of numbers. It's 12 numbers here. And then you take the square root of it and you get the standard deviation, which tells you how spread out the data is. Okay? Write that down on your paper. 25, 26, and 28 were about normal distribution. So again, if you maybe forget the percentages that go in a normal distribution, you could do that. But when they give you the mean and the standard deviation, you just fill out your chart and then you answer the question. It says, when will there be more than 103? Well, I just look at here, 103, and I added up all these to say almost all of them. And so the only other thing that's on here, 28, instead of asking you for the percent, it actually tells you there were 800 players. So you find the percent, which was 68%, and you multiply it by the total number, and you get how many people did that. And so, again, hopefully we'll talk in class tomorrow, but I just wanted to give you the answers to this.